Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to archive chats on WhatsApp. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Open the WhatsApp and go to the chat you want to archive. For the Android users, long press on the chat until you see a small green tick appear next to the user picture, and then tap on the archive button at the top of the screen. The chat will disappear from your main chat list and move to the archive section. To access your archive chat, scroll to the top of the chats tab and tap on the archived. Now to unarchive a chat, tap and hold on the chat you want to unarchive and tap on the unarchive. So note that archiving a chat does not delete it permanently and you can still receive messages from archive chats. So hope you guys like my video and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.